Ever scrolled through Instagram or TikTok and thought, wow, I need that, after seeing someone you admire use a product? That's the power of influence, and if you're running an Oberlo dropshipping store, it's a power you absolutely need to tap into. But how exactly do you go from admiring influencers to having them promote your Oberlo products? It's not as simple as sliding into DMs and hoping for the best. It requires a strategic approach, a keen eye for the right partnerships, and a clear understanding of how influencer marketing works in the e-commerce landscape. Think about it. Traditional advertising can feel impersonal and easily ignored. But when a trusted figure, someone whose style, knowledge, or personality resonates with a specific audience, recommends a product, it carries a different weight. It feels like a genuine suggestion from a friend, not just a sales pitch. This trust is the bedrock of successful influencer marketing. Now, Oberlo provides you with a fantastic platform to source and sell a wide range of products. But simply listing those products in your online store isn't always enough to cut through the noise. You need a megaphone, and influencers can be that megaphone, amplifying your brand message and reaching potential customers you might not otherwise connect with. So, are you ready to unlock the potential of influencer marketing and watch your Oberlo sales soar? Let's dive into the actionable steps you can take to make this happen. First things first, define your goals and target audience. What exactly do you want to achieve with influencer marketing? Is it brand awareness, driving traffic to your store, or directly increasing sales? Knowing your objectives will help you choose the right type of influencers and tailor your campaigns effectively. Similarly, who are you trying to reach? Understanding your ideal customer, their demographics, interests, and online behavior is crucial. This will guide your search for influencers whose audience aligns with your target market. There's no point in partnering with a beauty guru if you're selling tech gadgets, right? Once you have a clear picture of your goals and audience, it's time to identify potential influencers. This is where the research comes in. Don't just look at follower counts. Engagement rate, likes, comments, shares relative to their follower size, authenticity, and relevance to your niche are far more important. Where do you find these gems? Start by exploring social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and even niche-specific forums or blogs. Use relevant hashtags related to your products or industry. Look for creators who are already talking about products similar to yours or whose aesthetic and values align with your brand. Tools can also be your friend here. There are various influencer marketing platforms that can help you discover and analyze influencers based on different criteria. While some might come with a cost, they can save you significant time and effort in the long run. After identifying a pool of potential influencers, the next step is to reach out and build genuine connections. Don't start with a generic pitch. Take the time to understand their content, engage with their posts, and show genuine interest in their work. When you do reach out, personalize your message. Explain why you think they would be a good fit for your brand and how a collaboration could be mutually beneficial. Clearly outline what you're proposing, whether it's sending them a product for review, a sponsored post, or a longer-term partnership. Be transparent about compensation, whether it's monetary, product-based, or a combination of both. Remember, influencers are content creators, and their reputation is everything. Treat them with respect, value their creative input, and give them the freedom to express their honest opinions about your products. Authenticity resonates with audiences far more than a forced endorsement. Once you've established a partnership, send them your Oberlo products. Make sure the products are high quality and well presented. Include any relevant information, such as key features, benefits, and even suggested ways they can showcase the product to their audience. Now comes the exciting part: content creation and promotion. Work collaboratively with the influencer to develop engaging content that highlights your products in a natural and authentic way. This could be anything from product reviews and demonstrations to lifestyle integration and creative storytelling. Encourage them to use unique discount codes or trackable links so you can measure the direct impact of their promotion on your sales. This data is invaluable for understanding the ROI of your influencer marketing efforts. Speaking of measurement, tracking and analyzing your results is crucial. Monitor key metrics like website traffic, engagement on the influencer's posts, sales generated through their unique codes, and overall brand mentions. This will help you identify what's working well and where you can improve your strategy for future campaigns. Building successful relationships with influencers is an ongoing process. Nurture these partnerships by staying in touch, engaging with their content even after a campaign ends, and exploring opportunities for future collaborations. A strong, long-term relationship can be far more valuable than a one-off promotion. Finally, remember to stay compliant with advertising regulations. Be transparent about sponsored content and ensure that influencers clearly disclose their partnership with your brand. This builds trust with their audience and protects both you and the influencer. Using influencers to promote your Oberlo products isn't a magic bullet, but when done strategically and authentically, it can be a powerful way to reach new customers, build brand awareness, and drive significant sales. It's about finding the right voices to amplify your message and building genuine connections that resonate with your target audience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.